What are some funny, fascinating, or otherwise memorable moments from throughout your career?
I work at Stanford as like a researcher during my Stanford career. So I published that paper, it about the virus and like a HIV detection uh, with some like a plasmonic. And when I it accepted, it was like a advanced material. It's around like impact factor over 30. So that I can remember like I spent maybe like a 2 year with like a different research, and then when it accepted, so that time actually I can remember. Yeah. So that's another story I can remember during my PhD. One of my work was published, Life Science. So that was also like as a PhD student, like I was very excited to publish in the Nature, like a Nature sister journal. It was a Life Science and Application, and yeah, so that was my also like one of my PhD work. And I can remember like at that time it was first paper also for my supervisor to publish in the Nature, like a family, for my supervisor and also for me. Yeah, so that for both of us, so it was very happy moment. Yeah. And then like I also work like as an optical engineer at Meta, so that was also like exciting, like when I got the offer. So that day actually my like a second baby was at Stanford Hospital. So that moment also like a we are at hospital, and my wife was in the emergency situation, and that time actually I got the offer to get the job. So that was also like another yeah, historical event. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you.
And what is your current job?
So I work at a biotech. It's like a 10x genomics. It work with like a single cell gene expression. Yeah.
Okay, and can I get your name?
Yeah, it's Rajib Ahmed.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.